Hey folks, got this on the bench today. What is this seeing here? This is LTD EC 401 FR or Floyd Rose. Yeah, I already got the knobs off it. This is in for a finish repair. You can see some scratches in there and some attempt at finish repair for swirl removal. And I don't know how well this is going to get in the picture. And you see it's like perfect here, but yeah, you can kind of see it. See? It's all kind of fogged out, especially around the control. Yeah. Fun stuff. So yeah, this is here for that. So figuring you'd I don't know if I wouldn't call it a rant, but I figured shoot the breeze with you fine folks while I do some work on this. It's not going to get all done in like 10 minutes, but yeah, hang on. Hey, look at that. You got your seat on the end of my bench as usual. So let's put some stuff out of the way here, and yeah, fun stuff. Fun stuff. Locking nut is loose already. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of the strings. Everything. I'm feeling I'm gonna be doing the whole top here. Fun stuff. So, but I'm gonna do just a little testing. 1, 2, 3. We're here we go. Meguiar's cleaner wax. Where's my rags? So I just want to do it by hand. All right, stand by. I gotta find some rags. I'm back. Got a couple small rags. Just cut them up little swatches. Step one is to not get any of this in my hair. Just get a dollop. Come on. There we go. You can see just a dollop. And let's see here what we get. Well, it doesn't appear to have increased the swirling, and I really don't have much to lose here because we already figure worst case scenario we'll respray it with a clear anyways. But yeah, you can hear it already. That does seem. Oh yeah, I can see the scratches from the previous one now. Well, it does seem to be cutting into it, so yeah, we might have some hope for this yet. See what happens if I try it in a more pristine area that's just fogged out on the other side. You know what? I really should grab a hair elastic. Survey says. Oh, interesting. By Jove, I might get lucky just with using that stuff. Awesome. All right. Well, we're still gonna take the strings off of it. So what's up? What's up? We're got these are really stiff. Sometimes if you over tighten the ends, you can press the bushings down to the point turn. So yeah, the plan is, excuse me, upgrading the StreamYards very soon. I'm waiting till the end of the month. Get that going. Still debating the way to go with the van project. Excuse me, which I'm thinking, obviously, that one van I showed in the video, nothing permanently installed in it, but easily that you could basically gut it, move everything into another unit. A bunch of you commented on the video, giving me some great ideas and such. So, a few people were commenting I'll need a bigger vehicle, but honestly, me and a couple Rubbermaid containers, we're good. Because it's not like I'm living in it for permanent, or, so let's be honest, if you're just doing an overnighter for a night or two, chances are you'll probably pick up, fast food or something, but I'd rather not, because it helps cut down the cost when you don't. I'm just going to remove that retainer altogether. Those bar retainers? Coming out? So. Let's just back these right off a bit. Take some of that tension off that cross member piece. There we go. Yeah, so that's in the works still, obviously, but travel is rather limited. Was talking with a regular on the channel here this week about doing a day trip up to their place at the very least. I was looking, it's about 3.5, 4 hour drive each way, which, hell, I could do that in a day. Leave after breakfast, get there just after lunch, hang out for an afternoon, and head on back. Although I wouldn't mind actually stopping off and actually, doing a camp of some kind. Alright. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on here. I wasn't planning on necessarily doing a film series on this guitar, because, I wasn't sure how long it was going to take, or whatever. Whether I could fix it. So we're just kind of going through the initial steps here, and just thought, make, rather than just a straight vlog video, I would multitask. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Hoping to have the demo out for the Nice Drive A very soon. Some of you are watching, what? Yeah, we got the prototype in for the Ben Coombs drive, if you want to call it that. That's called the Nice Drive A, through Mr. LPD Pedals. So, something we've been working on. We've talked about it on the channel in the past. Is that lockers? No? What am I thinking? I'm halfway through taking the strings off, and now I'm wondering, hey, does that have locking? Is that another time? Jeez, it is too. Don't need this many wines on a locking drum system. So yeah, that's happening there. Just realized I'm talking with my back to the camera most of the time, so I figure you guys know what's up. Summer's coming to an end. As I'm shooting this, I've got my auto racing podcast coming up later today. NAS Canucks on YouTube's. Myself and cousin Doug. Should be fun. Shout out, everyone's been joining the Facebook group lately. That's been really cool. And of course my patrons. It's the only one that turns nice. I think I'm gonna fine tune those tuners. Fine tune those tuners. Yeah, I said it. Alright. Oh, should have put something under that. And did he give me the wiggle stick? See no wiggle stick. See some of my old picks in here. On the strings, it's getting a set of 10s, which I don't agree with on a Floyd Rose system, but hey, what do I know? Too big. That'll work. Let's use the larger diameter one. There's my block. Use. Oh, no, that's not going to work. Alright. So, yeah, I'm playing with this thing. I don't even know what I'm looking for. How about a hex key? Hex key would be nice. Think I'd have those common handy? Nah, be too easy. Right size. Get too far into it. So yeah, that's what's up. I also got a LPD 68 in this week, which is awesome. Quite happy. Happy. You know what? Should turn this over. Just realized I should release the claw a bit. Wow, this thing have more access panels in the back. I kind of like the separate one. Oh yeah, there's the one up there too. 4. Jesus. No wonder this thing's so light. Small neck, really small neck too. All right, so yeah, not much going on. I'm just hanging, chilling, maxing, relaxing. Just know how it is. I'm going to wrestle with this. Looks nice. This thing, I don't know who put the strings on it last, but they clamped it down so tight that that was the very end of the string, which you can't really see, but trust me, came out. Yeah. The block, it actually chopped it in half. So I'm gonna play with this for a while. Maybe I'll come back at the show you what kind of progress is going on here, and let you guys get back to your day. Like, share, subscribe, comment on the videos, hit me up Facebook, Instagram, and all that stuff. If you want. If you don't, fine. But I'll just be here doing my thing. You know how it is. Enjoying what's left of summer and yeah, stuff like that. So, cheers.